Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable HSTS on your Nginx reverse proxy. Easy tutorial step by. To disable HSTS on your Nginx reverse proxy, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt to connect to your server. Log in with your username and password. Navigate to your Nginx configuration files. Typically, these are located in the /etc/nginx/sites available directory. Identify the configuration file for the site you want to modify. Open the configuration file using a text editor, such as Nano or Vim. In the configuration file, look for the @_header directive related to HSTS. This will typically look like @_header strict transport security. Once you locate it, either remove the line or comment it out. To comment out the line, simply add a hashtag at the beginning. After making the changes, save the file and exit the text editor. Next, test the Nginx configuration for any syntax errors. You can do this by running the command sudo nginxt. If there are no errors, proceed to reload the Nginx service. Use the command sudo system reload nginx to apply the changes. Now, HSTS should be disabled for your site. To confirm, you can use a browser or online tool to check if HSTS is still enabled. This completes the process of disabling HSTS on your Nginx reverse proxy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.